made my own DIY brushable rain. Oh, but seriously, I took a Disney horse and I thought, hey, because this horse has blonde mane, why don't I customize her into Rain from Spirit Stallion with Cimarron? You know, being that she's my favorite character and one of my favorite movies. Anyway, I better show you the aftermath before I show you the process of what it took to make this goofy Aw, My Little Pony knockoff. I wouldn't say I'm displeased with how she looks, but she could be better. As you can see, I have painted her mane and tail a little bit, but she is hand painted basically because I don't have a spray brush, which is why her legs look a little rough for that gradient and so forth. But overall, this is the finished product. And I don't think it turned out bad, but there is room for improvement. However, she is definitely an improvement from this Spirit custom I did a couple years ago. I was around, 15 at the time when I did him? So yeah, more like 3 or 4 years ago when I did him. He didn't turn out that great either. You can see he's got some rough patches and he's got a little bit of cat hair stuck right there because I painted him at my grandfather's house, and my aunts who lived with him had a Maine Coon, and it got its hair stuck in the Mod Podge I used to seal these. So yeah, and his dorsal stripe is too big. So yeah, he's not that great either, but definitely I have improved. But, you know, practice makes perfect, I guess. Yeah, you can see I was a lot better with the gradients now than I was from a long time ago. It's not easy to do this method of, what's it called? Fading, I guess is what you would call it. But he does have a decent amount of shading, so I guess no complaints. But let's move on to the customization process of this little lady right here. Okay, so here is the progress we have made today. It's 2 a.m. right now, and I'm gonna stop there. That is it. That is the whole process of how I turned a Disney horse into a DreamWorks one. Anyway, I could have bought my own brushable Rain, but, you know, I just saved myself $700 for, you know, making my own. So, yay, profit. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for some edits. I have a Leather Spirit video coming featuring that guy. I know some of you are really looking forward to that video. Not releasing a teaser yet, but in time, stay tuned, and I got some edits coming as well. I probably won't be posting for a while though, because I am going to be busy with some new transitions in my life and such, but yeah, overall I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you later.